How to get the reply option on Instagram. We will now go to Instagram app. If I choose a conversation and hold a specific message, a different type of options will show. I can use different type of reactions. I can reply, I can report, and I can tap on more. In this way, I can reply to a specific message a person sent me. However, if you don't see this option, then you probably haven't updated your messaging on Instagram. So let's get out and go check if our app is updated on App Store. If it says open, it means your version is already the latest. But if it says update, just go and update your application. After this, go back to Instagram. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. And if you have an option here to update messaging, tap it, and that will immediately solve your issue. But if you don't have that, like me, go to settings, hit help, report a problem, just say that your reply icon is not showing, that you've updated your application and messaging, and the reply feature is still not showing. Submit it, and hopefully Instagram will get back to you after a couple of days, and you will eventually have the reply option. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.